Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Al-Muzam Syarif bin Abdullah. Saya memegang nombor matrik di 2019-108-7504. Saya belajar di Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris dan saya mengikuti program Sains Sukan dan Kejurulatihan. Okey, baiklah. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan tentang report biomekanik saya untuk final assessment. Okay, untuk background of study. Okay, biomechanic provide this key information on the most effective and safest. Pupil need assistance to increase movement, and this service need an awareness of why and how the human body is going. Biomechanic also mean activity pattern and device and exercise to facilitate the movement of human being. Biomechanic is part of the broader kinesiological field, concentrating primarily on movement mechanics. Taekwondo is one of Korea's popular martial art. The physical element of the artists practice defensive and counter-attacking. Taekwondo trainings mean movement and theme are battling and defending oneself. According to the Coral Falco, Javier Mona Gracia, Otavio Alvarez, and Isaac Estevan, 2013, Taekwondo is a full contact sparring sport. Where in the contender scoring more points. The problem statement in our to finish the report. According to the report, the purpose of the study is to see the highest degree of speed at foot and of the foot, using parameter as a method to study velocity time, joint angle, and length of the leg when executing kick. Athlete participating in the sport of Taekwondo should know which leg power is more powerful, such as dominant leg and not dominant leg in the success of kick. In the analysis, the subject can execute a kick with both legs to assess the kick execute. Both the dominant leg and the non-dominant leg of the foot kick that can be studied to see the disparity and efficiency of the athlete kick. However, in doing this research, I had trouble locating an acceptable reference to be used as a reference in the study. Okay, objective in the report. Objective of this study is to determine the difference between dominant and non-dominant leg in Taekwondo X kick. The objective of the research report are to analysis. First, the difference of peak height and the maximum point between the both leg. Second, the different displacement of the kicking angle between the both leg. And third, identify velocity and time up between the both leg. Okay, next, signification of study. Generally speaking, biomechanics study the internal and external force that function on the body and result of the action of sport and exercise. They also occur when and how Taekwondo X kick determine of dominant leg between right and left. In essence, biomechanics was primarily developed for the goal of designing more efficient exercise schedule, avoiding injury and speed recovery. There is a strong need for biomechanics as an agent that observes everything in sport, such as the actual activity of the body of the athlete. Biomechanics is also one of the outlets for a person to learn about the science of the human body, the arrangement of biological entities reacting to force and external stimulation. In the study I did, the result is the strength to the right foot is more strength than the left foot, which is the less strength. Here we can see the right foot is a dominant foot or dominant leg, and the left is a non-dominant leg. Okay, a demography in the report. In the research I did, I had an athlete who was proficient in the X kick technique in the taekwondo sport. I choose the participant because he has a understanding and expertise in executing this X kick, and he has experience in the sport of taekwondo. Uh, he used to be my junior in taekwondo at school. This year he's 20 years old and has a weight of 60 kg. His dominant foot is a right foot, and his left foot is the non-dominant foot. Okay, what I use the equipment in the finish the report. First is Kinovia software. Kinovia is tool use the process of doing research on the X-kick assessment based on video that has been recorded and performed manually in the Kinovia to see the reference point mark on the dorsal bone. This research and study uses a computer as tool to study the movement of an X-key. Kinovia software is used to film and analyze record video and collect data to this X-key study. This software was used to analyze uh, the speed, angle, the maximum kicking height, time ups, and velocity at the target spot. And third, I choose iPhone 11 for the recording the X kick and the procedure. The participants stand still. The camera has been set up with the meter distant from the participant. Before the second start button being pressed, the participants stand straight as for the celebration stick. After 2 seconds, participants started to kick to the right side and the recording still ongoing. Step 3 and step 4 is repeated for the left side leg. This is a result for X kick. On the left is a right kick, the dominant leg, and the right is a left leg, is the non-dominant leg, and the left is a touchdown, is a dominant leg, and right is non-dominant leg. This is the result when I analyze the S kit for the S kit as athlete in Convia software. Kicking up, dominant leg kick, right kick, displacement 215 cm, time up 0.41 second, and velocity 0.24 minute per second. And non-dominant leg, left kick 205 cm, time up 0.45 second, velocity is 4.55 millis per second. And kicking down, dominant leg right kick, displacement 192 cm, time up 0.28 second, velocity is 6.85 milli per second. And non-dominant leg left kick, displacement 183 cm, and time up 0.5 second, and velocity 4.06 minute per second. For discussion, the aim of the uh, analysis is to collect escape data from both legs executed by the athlete. The correct data will be collected when executing an escape, saying the athlete's escape response will not display any different, uh, just 10 centimeter. Here you can see that the agility of the kit on both sides is exactly the same. In the study of this player, we can see that right foot is more dominant than the left foot, which not dominant leg. The stamina of right foot can be shown at the table 1 and indicate the height of the X kit higher than the left foot, which is the not dominant leg. And we can also note that the right foot look faster than the left foot, as in table 1. In the gathering of data on the study of skin undertaken by an athlete, data collection for the calculation of kit speed, kit height, and time taken in the biomechanical analysis. The data obtained in the study will allow athletes to develop the weakness of the left foot or the non-dominant foot to be stronger than before. In the sport of taekwondo, the use of the leg in the match to gain the point is very important. The data set at the data set act as a guideline to coach an athlete as a guide to correcting any mistake during event or practice. And last, for conclusion, in the research undertaken, the purpose of the study is to analyze and behavior of the X kick by the athlete in order to determine the speed, height, and velocity of the X kick performed. The right foot of dominant the right foot is the dominant leg. Show the kick height is 215 centimeter, while the height of left foot in the non-dominant leg is 205 centimeter. The right foot indicate the speed of the X kick is 41 second, and while the non-dominant leg measure 45 seconds of the X kick. The right leg of the dominant leg report a velocity of 5 and 5.24 milli per second while performing the X kick, while the non-dominant leg, the foot, the leg, the left foot recorded 4.55 milli per second while performing in the X kick. Ultimately, the finding of the analysis showed the right foot is superior, demonstrating an higher output to X kick relative to the non-dominant left foot. Okey, itu saja daripada saya dalam untuk menerangkan report biomekanik saya tentang analisis tendangan kapak atau X kick dalam taekwondo. Okey, sekian, terima kasih.